Here today is a hinge of pattern. Something repeats, not because it must, but because it hasn't been fully witnessed. Today, notice the loop. What do you always say? Where do you always turn? Pause mid-pattern. That's where the change waits. The pattern seen. Primary source, Ching. Repetition reveals truth today. You may find yourself retracing steps or thoughts. That's not failure. It's recognition. See the structure, then shift it. Pattern recognition. Cyclical awareness. Conscious interruption. Sacred loop. Shift through seeing.